At times, you may want to rotate your text either to maximize the space that you have, improve data organization, or to create a more interesting layout. In our example, I want to rotate the bank, income, and expenses title on the side of each section to establish a visual hierarchy. Before we do that, let's go through the text rotation options. By default, all text has no text rotation. If you want to change any rotated text to the default, select the text, go to the A icon with an arrow underneath, and select the first option from the left. You can tilt up or tilt down your text, which is useful when you have longer column titles but need to keep them narrow. The tilt makes an efficient use of space. The stack vertically option is the least readable in my opinion. There's too much spacing between the letters. Maybe changing font would help. However, the rotate up or rotate down options are much better. The rotate up option for English-speaking audience is very readable, and that is what I will use in our personal budget worksheet. If these options are not sufficient, you can also specify your very own angle. I'm going to go to the 3 titles, select them, first merge them across the rows I want them to span, then apply center to the horizontal alignment and middle to the vertical one, and then select my text rotation to rotate up. I can use the Paint format to copy and paste the formatting to the income title. However, I can't do that to the expenses because it will be spanning across more rows, so I have to manually style it as I did the bank title. Once it is done, I will increase its size so it fills the merged cells better. And there you have it. This simple formatting trick made each section in our personal budget stand out. Thanks so much for watching.